not going to wash the whole car today, but I thought I'd do a, it's just getting too late at night, so I thought I'd do a test panel walk here to see how clean it is. Bought me a little electric power washer. Got some Simple Green in here. I don't know if Simple Green's the right soap for the job, but that's what I got. I like Simple Green. I was in the military. If you were in the military, you know why I use Simple Green a lot.
Cameraman.
Guess I'll let it soak for a minute. Am I on camera?
Yeah.
Okay. Don't move it too much. This is the little Harbor Freight unit I bought. It's like 80 bucks. It's not bad. I was washing on my truck earlier, the front tire. Did a pretty good job. Just cleaning out the front tire. But I got that soap on there, and we're about to go get after it on this one fender. The interior is what's not going to be fun in this car. Took the paint off a little bit. Oh. Paint off. Wheels still got some shine to them. I think it's soap in this headlight, but it came pretty clean. It's getting too dark for this. I'll retire for the day. Come back at it tomorrow. brush instead of the pressure washer to scrub some of it off. Pressure washer's not strong enough for the hood. Maybe I should have bought a better one. It took the paint off. I think I'm down to bare metal on this fender. I think. I'm not sure. Well, no, I don't think it is actually. There's Bondo on this fender. I hit a trash can drifting one time in Clarksville, and it was full of trash, and it just caved that whole fender in. So I did a crappy job in Bondoing it up and spray painting it. And obviously, oh, that's bare metal. Oh yeah, it's going under the Bondo. Looks like I might have some body work in my future. Daytona Blue's the color. It's a color they use, I think, on the 350Z. Army greens to blue jeans was the idea for my paint job. It's looking much better. At least it ain't covered in dirt and mud. I mean, get enough work to start working on it. Let's take a look under. Oh yeah. Well, let's start cleaning in here. Engine degreaser. Quick walk around. Engine cleaned up pretty good. I'm not gonna do anything to try and get the engine running anytime with it all wet like this, of course. And it's not gonna be, but probably for a couple more videos that I change the oil, get the fuel out of the tank, make sure the fuel pump works. I don't even know if there's wires that have been eaten on the inside. Now that the car's clean, you can see better on the inside how nasty it is. It's like the forest is in there. Puppy dog. There's my ECU. I hope none of the wires got eaten. This side doesn't look too bad. Paint's in decent shape. You can see where the paint's chipping away to the factory color, which is red. No big deal. This is a beater drift car. Can't see him there. Oh, it's bad. There's a helmet back there. It's covered. The smell's not good. I do have this old bodywork here. Maybe I'll just put a big old sticker over it or something. American flag sticker. That would be good. You're on camera. You want to see? Sally Kate. You're on camera. Say hi. That's a race car. Yeah. It's all wet. Ew.